Yeah, I'm not gonna clear up the table. So the first thing I got were these oversleeves, and actually these are the shit. All right, cut. So the first thing I got were these oversleeves, and actually I really needed oversleeves for the Love Live Sunshine deck, because I do have oversleeves on that, but they're not like the best. And these ones are actually like the best oversleeves. Like they're so nice to like cut and everything. I'm just gonna move that real quick. And yeah, I'm gonna switch them out. And these were only 300 yen, so I'm probably gonna go tomorrow and pick a couple more up, because these are really the best. Like just look for these CSG character sleeve guide. They're clear, but the back is matte, so like the shuffling feels really good because it feels different. Here's what the back looks like. Why don't you try them? I did, and I never want to go back. I don't know the company. I think it is Carbon. No, it's KMC. KMC. Yeah, these KMC ones, hands down, the best character sleeves I've ever had. So let's go to the singles. I got this from my friend. He is super into Kantai collection, especially Tenryu, and this was just like 10 cents. I guess it's actually from the arcade game. So yep, and yep, I got him. I found the last one. 30 yen. I got this one just because, you know, level 4 XCs, and it's a cute one. Solemn Strike for 100 yen. So yeah. No, wait. Solemn Warning. I'm getting that confused. And I had to get another Toad because although he does recycle himself, I do need him for the Dino Mist deck, and it's better to have two than one. All I need is the Bahamut Shark. I am going to work on my Tolovru deck, so I'm going to try to make it as meta as possible. 980, that's about like $9 or so. So, and these cards in English are about 40 bucks. I pulled one in one of my unboxing videos, link in the description below. So yeah, I just need one or two more. Two of the Orisa Brainstorms. These are about $5 in English, so yep, gonna need these. And of course, Christmas Saya for only 650 yen. So, but the thing is, I cannot play in any sanctioned like tournaments, but oh well, I guess. Like, I gotta play with my friends, so that's fine. I'm just so glad that I now have like, not a full playset, but I have enough. Like, I have enough Christmas Sayas to get the job done. Whoa, jump cut, table's clear. I also got these bad boys right here. So these are just like 2 bricks of just like cards. I'm pretty sure they're just commons or whatever. I got this one because, you know, it is a Weiss one. They did have Girlfriend Beta, which I might go back and get, but I do want to build a Hello Happy World deck, so this is a good place to start. This is actually from the trial deck. The super rare from the trial deck. And they had Unending Nightmare, the shop I went to, the first one, they had Unending Nightmare for 150 yen by itself. And I was like, oh, you know, I'll pick one up because Unending Nightmare is like a really good card. But then I saw this and I was like, I could get a whole stack of cards that I do not need for 200 yen. Count me in. So let's open these up. Alright, let's see here, and I'm pretty sure these are just like a bunch of junk cards, except for this one, Unending Nightmare, really good card. So, geez, this is a huge stack. We'll just go through them. Pull out anything of note. That's not bad, I guess. Okay, it seems that this is mainly made up of the newer sets. Like, there's a lot of cards from the newer set. Oh, I see a Link monster. Oh. Okay. Hoping for great... Oh, hey, this little guy. Zombina. Yeah, I'm seeing like a lot of doubles. Oh, there's a synchro. I'm gonna have to move the stack. Oh, yeah. Not seeing anything terribly good. I'm seeing a lot of, like, I think I have a playset of this already, so, like, I think I got a playset plus of this. Oh, hey. Dragon Pit Magician. That card's not bad. Oh, this is, the ritual one. It's like something ritual. It does something with the ritual cards. Oh, jeez. I don't remember what that card does. Yeah, I think I got like 8 of these cards now. Got another one of these. Got another one on the crow. Yeah, let's see what's in here. That's good. Alright, and I'm back with the good card. Yeah, so pretty much I just spent 50 yen, like 50 extra yen for a bunch of cards that I have no intention in running. I saw the Link monster and was like, oh, that's exciting. But it's only useful in, like, I guess you could, like, step up, or, like, link up using him, but, like, yeah, there's nothing. It's literally, like, the same card, like, this one and this one, like, over and over again. So I don't want to say I wasted some money, but I kind of wasted. I kind of wasted some money in this department. Next up, we're doing the Weiss box, or the Weiss little case. So let's see what's in here. I'm actually interested because I don't know if it's a bunch of Hello Happy World cards, or are these just the ones at the end, or what's up. Also, I should probably mention that both of these are from 2 different stores. So here's our cover card. Oh, okay. So, other side. Here's our cover card. It's the trial deck one. And here's our super rare. Our other one. So we're getting T2. And, oh yeah, these are all completely different. That's a lot of Idol Master cards. Bruh. Yes. Whoa, Girlfriend Beta. Nanoha. Yeah, there's like a good mix of like everything. Oh hey, there's a lot of Girlfriend Beta cards. Oh hey. I just did a video on this card. This card is not a vanilla anymore. Bring that over to the side. Oh, jeez. Couple decapo cards. Oh, jeez. All right, so I got like I think I got a playset of these climaxes, and I got a playset of these girls. Let's see if I could get more. A lot more decapo cards. Trying to see if there are any more cards that just got like redone. Jesus. I got a playset plus. Cool. I got cards to burn. There's a Madoka. This one's upside down. Alright, we're almost down. We're almost at the end. Cool. Oh hey, Smoky Thrill. Ready? Alright, so let's find out the good cards in this. You know what? Looking through these, there are some like there's some rares and some double rares in here. Like this one's a double rare, but like it's not a holo. So because this Idol Master, the movie set or like the anime set is like actually one of the older ones, so I'm gonna have to look through all these right now. So I got like 8 of these? Why? That is not okay. Like, there's a lot of doubles in here. A good majority of it is Nanoha, Idol Master, and Decapo. Also Girlfriend Beta. And what's like kind of jarring, I guess, is that they spaced out the doubles a lot. But like, the more I kept scrolling through them, I was like, wait, I've seen this card like 8 fucking times already. Like, what the hell's going on here? So pretty much I spent like $4.50 for cards I could get in the trial deck. But here are the rares that I got. I don't run Idol Master or any of these. This is actually from Fade Zero, I think. But might as well start picking up the Decapo. There's actually, this is a double rare. A Madoka double rare. Symphonic Gear, Idol Master, Idol Master. Whoa, what the fuck is this? One sec. I can't really say it. What's this one from? Oh, jeez, I don't know either. Well, this is what it's from. Another Idol Master, other Idol Master, more Idol Master. Actually, you know what? I went through that one before. And another Idol Master. So at this point, I feel like I can make an Idol Master and a Girlfriend Beta deck.